Ready to live?
You all ready? We are sitting a press meet. With me is the President of the Federation, Mr. Samra, and Chief Organizing Secretary, Mr. Bibas, and Publicity and Information Secretary, Mr. Birgu, and our divisional leaders. Today, we see the press meet. We all know the demand of TSF since very long, the 50 years demand. 2 months ago, we submitted a memorandum to the governor of Tripura demanding Roman script to be implemented in the state. We can see, it's already past 2 months, but there is no response from the government side. We are worried why the government is showing so negligence towards the people of Tripura. That is the reason we need to see the press meet today here. We have warned and requested several times the government of Tripura to listen to our demand and the student demands. We can see the negligence. And secondly, we demand the government of India to put a 125 amendment bill in the House of Parliament immediately. These are our demands. For all this reason, we the Tripura Student Federation, one of the oldest student organization in the state of Tripura, we call a 12-hour strike on Monday, 28th of August 2023, which will affect the state against any comment